Innovative group of educational institution foundation is based on the five core values. Fundamentally, we have the five core values. The first one is integrity, courage, respect, curiosity, and unity. What is this? How does this matters? These core values are aligned to the basic foundation of Islamic core system of five values. The first one is the Shahda, Salah, Swam, Zakat and the Hajj. It is aligned with these five values makes us the one of the best education system across the education fraternity. Let's talk about integrity. Honesty and trust should be there and fairness to train the students and the teachers. That's the first testimony and the Shahada of foundation. The second one is the courage. Students should take the risk to raise their hands and ask the questions, to share their thinking and the values with others and take the critics and learn from each other. The third one is the respect. Students must have politely to with others, also they should think before speak to the challenges. That aligns with the fasting song. The fourth one is the curiosity. The strong desire to know or learn something, ask the question. So that's how we are building the curiosity in the children. That's nothing but zakah. The final one is nothing but the unity. We have to have unity and train the children with diverse family background and build them. That's the key thing that align to feedback system and evaluation systems that makes us the best education system across the education fraternity. Thank you.